Hey guys, let's begin with the second part of Windows settings you should change now. I hope you have already updated the changes shared with you in the first video. Notifications. To begin with, let's do something about those annoying notifications Windows seems to give all the time. So head to Settings, System, Notifications and Actions. No need to turn off all the notifications because some can be useful, but if you see one app that is particularly annoying, you can scroll down and disable its ability to show notifications. Back up top, you probably want to disable the option to show notifications on the lock screen. Finally, you can disable notifications for tips and tricks which could be really annoying. Suggested apps. Speaking of annoying, let's disable the obnoxious suggested apps you see in the Start menu. In Settings, go to Personalization, Start and disable where it says Occasionally Show Suggestions in Art. Gaming settings. Next up, there's a setting we want to change under Settings, Gaming, and then from left-hand panel, choose Captures. You definitely want to disable the one that says Record in the background while I'm playing a game. Leaving this on means anytime you're playing a game, it will constantly be recording video even if you don't save it, which will use up the resources and could severely affect the performance. Also, go to Game Mode to see if the switch is on, as it optimizes the computer when you are playing game. If you're not a gamer, you can keep it turned off. Night Mode. Let's now look at some features you can keep enabled. It's a super cool feature called Night Light, which can be found in Settings, System, then the Display tab. But this feature will only show if you have the so-called latest greatest update. In Night Light settings, what this feature does is change the color of the screen at night so that it's much easier on the eyes. You can adjust the strength of the effect and what time you want to activate, including sunset to sunrise. So go to System Settings, System Display and toggle the switch on. When you click Night Light settings, you can change the strength or schedule the light settings by entering the hours. Windows Explorer. Here are a couple of more settings to enable for Windows Explorer. Just open up any Explorer tab like My Computer or whatever. At the top, click View and then check the two boxes that say File Name Extensions and Hidden Items. If for some reason those don't show up, you can find the same settings by hitting Options, then going to the View tab. So that's it for today guys. We hope we could have resolved a lot of problems for you on Windows. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.